So I've got one nail in here, and from this we are gonna turn this into that amazing look. First of all, of course, I have to remove crystals from those old nail. This set has been on for the entire month, and now is the time to take those crystals off. And as you can see it is a really hard task. They have been attached with the base gel, and they are very hard to remove. So I'm using old clippers just to clip them all off. Once you catch the first ones, the job is much easier, but they are so stubborn. As you can see it, there is no way to lose the crystal attached with the abated base gel. If they would be really this stubborn, I would e-file them, and it will be much faster, but I usually try to save my bead. Next step is to push back the cuticles and use e-file to do a gentle job on them. So I'm filing one side first, and then put it back into the reverse and do the other side. My natural nails are very long, so the shape is not gonna be perfect, but I'm always trying to make it as nice as possible. And then remove the product. I want to remove as much as possible from the free edge, because we need to shorten those nails, and you really don't want excess of the product at the free edge. We also need to remove the entire lifting, which is here at the top. And thin out the free edge as much as possible. That will save us lots of filing. Blend the sides. And then swap into a hand file. So I need to shorten this nail quite a lot. File the free edge. Then file one side into a V shape and the other side. Each time when you're filing the sides or free edge, you need to thin it out. So I'm just lifting it up. And then on the other side, thin out the free edge more. And then blend everything around the cuticle area. You can help yourself by removing the dust and then blend the product here. You don't want to know where the product is starting. It has to be really nicely blended. Once you have done this step, use a 180 grit to scratch the surface of the natural nail plate. Nice scratches. And this way my extension is ready for a gel application. So get rid of the fan. Use a blue scrub to dehydrate the nail plate. Nice and squeaky clean. Re-inspect the nails and then apply the extra nail prep. That's dehydrate the nail plate again. Once it's dry, we can apply our universal air bond, which gives a really good adhesion of the product to the natural nails. Wait for it a couple seconds to dry. And grab our milky pink fiber gel. Using gel brush, we are going to do a fill. So remove the excess of the product and then apply nice and thin layer everywhere. Pull those nail folds down. Pick up another scoop of the product to move our apex. And release it from your brush. Then start pressing harder to remove any excess of the product. You don't want too much because we are going to do it a layered nail art. So that's my nail rebalance. I'm going to cure it 60 seconds. When my nail is curing, just close all the product, like you don't want any dust in there. And I love this gel. UV cleanser to remove the inhibition layer. And then let's shape this nail. So first of all, we want to blend everything around the cuticle area. You don't want to know where the product is starting. Do it the same on the other side. Check it. And then once you're happy with it, repeat the same steps we have done it before. So one side, other side. Shorten the free edge. Lift the things up, just so your side walls are really nice and thin. Especially that we are gonna do a couple layers with the nail art. Now, we are gonna smooth the entire surface. So thin out the free edge. You wanted it really nice and thin. Look at my filing lines. I didn't touch my apex area. We only filing the free edge. You don't want to remove the product which you applied. It's just such a waste of the time and the product. File underneath so your side walls are really nice and even. And then, using the buffer, we are going to smooth the entire surface of this nail. So again, repeat the steps like you want to blend the entire area around the cuticles. I'm just going to show you that. So you don't want to be able to see where the product is starting. That's actually make your nails last much longer time. Prevent the lifting, and it looks nice even if the nails are like 4 or 5 weeks old. Buff it. And then once you're happy with it, remove the dust and re-inspect the nail. You can see it, the free edge is really nice and thin, but we've got lots of product on the apex. Clean the entire surface. And then, using a transfer foil gel, we are going to cover the entire nail. Nice and thin layer. Again. Pull those nail folds down. And then give it 30 seconds cure. Clean the dust so you don't have any, and then grab those amazing transfer foil, guys, like we do have those beautiful pink, and that's what I'm gonna use it. So cut a small piece of it. Just about just enough so you've got it to cover your thumbnail. And then apply it, and I want to apply it first of all in this middle part, just so I don't get too much bends. Okay, give it a nice wrap to it, and then start going to the sides. Keep rubbing it in. And as you can see, the foil is start lifting. So lifted it off just to release it, and then start going more into the cuticle area. This way you are preventing like so many bends and you get a better coverage. I love it because with this gel it is possible to get like a full image which you've got on the transfer foil. Push it into your cuticles. You don't want to miss those sides here. Then release the transfer foil again, just a little bit. Make sure it's attached everywhere. Release it and go and start doing on the other side. So you've got less bends. And overall you get a nicer, cleaner look. Release again. And move on into the next part. Push it into this cuticle area here. And then once you're happy with it, just pull the entire foil. That looks so pretty. On top of it, we are gonna apply our High Shine No Wipe Top Gel. So nice and thin layer. And give it 60 seconds cure. Grab some Aurora Chrome pigment and rub this into the thumbnail. That will soften the results. Like, I really don't want such a so much rainbow going on my nails, so I decided to make it more chromy. On my mixing palette, I'm just gonna prepare a mixture so you can guys see it what I'm transferring. So a drop of this clear transfer foil gel and a drop of the black foil gel. So this way you will be able to see it what I'm painting. Mix it and then move on into the next step. So you want to clean the excess of the chrome. Grab the D-liner brush and then we are gonna paint our design. Get it into a nice straight line. So I want something in here like a wee wing. 2, 3. Then join this end together. I want something in there. 1, 2, 3. Join this end together. And then I want some wave. And another wave. Make this one a little bit thicker. Once you're happy with it, give it a 10 seconds cure and then grab some silver transfer foil. So you can see it, we've got lots of different colors in here and there is a silver hiding there. I'm just gonna grab it, I've got the cut in here. And then we are gonna transfer it. So just the same like we did it before, you press it in and pull it. And you can see it, the design which we have painted has transferred into the transfer foil has transferred into the design which we have painted. Okay, once you're happy with it, grab the top coat, just a small amount of it, and the fairy dust glitter. An amazing one, really pretty. And we are gonna decorate it with the liquid stones. So I'm just picking up a small scoop of this glitter and then fill up those places. So I want this to be nice and glittery. And I want those empty spaces to have some glitter too. Pick up another scoop and then fill up this line. Add some more top coat just so we can do it more of those liquid stones. And then give it a cure. Once you cure it, just apply the top coat. Look how pretty it starts to look. To protect, first of all, to protect the glitter, transfer foil, and also the chrome as well. Cap the free edge. For those of you who are struggling keeping your chrome and transfer foil designs, you could apply base gel over it and then apply the top coat. My nails are gonna last just with the top coat. Cap those free edge. And then I can show you the final results. Look at those beauty, absolutely amazing. And then that's the other ones. I hope you have guys really enjoyed this video, sending you huge glittery hugs and see you in the next one.